Hello students, this is the ninth part of MOD, method of differentiation. Today also I am going to explain some problems based on finding differentiation by using logarithms, and second part definition of implicit functions and explicit functions, and how to find the differentiation of implicit functions. Okay. Yeah, this is our next problem. Y is equal to e power x whole power e power x. You want to find dy by dx using logarithms, applying log on both sides with the base e. Obviously, logarithm of y to the base e equal to logarithm of e power x whole power e power x to the base e. This can be written as e power x into log e power x base e. That is e power x into e power x base e means x only, obviously. So this is logarithm of y to the base e. Now differentiating with respect to x. So what happened? 1 by y into y dash equal to, here you want to use uv formula, nana, uv, okay, u dash into v as it is plus u into v dash, that is y dash by y equal e power x into x plus e power x into 1, or y dash equal to, y times of e power x into x plus e power x. So y means what, nana? E power x into 1 e power x, you can take common, x plus 1. This is the dy by dx. I hope you people understood. Okay. Our next problem, students, easy only. Y equal to x power x square, logarithm of y to the base e equal to logarithm of x square to the base x. Sorry, not base x. Yeah, x square I will write again. Yeah, x power x square to the base e. Or in other words, I can say that x square into log x base e. This is logarithm of y to the base e. So 1 by y into y dash is equal to uv, u derivative 2x, v as it is, plus u as it is, derivative of v is 1 by x, or y dash by y dash equal to y times of 2x into log x base e plus x. So finally, what is dy by dx? Dy by dx equal to, y means x power x square. So you can take one x common. So what will get, nana? Here 2 log x base e plus 1. Or sometimes x power x square minus 1 into something, you can write like that. Okay, this is the differentiation of the given function. Same model, students. Y is equal to x power n, logarithm of y to the base e equal to x power n into log x base e, direct step, 1 by y into y dash equal to u derivative n into x power n minus 1, v as it is, plus u as it is into 1 by x. Or in other words, I can say that n into x power n minus 1 into logarithm of x to the base e plus x power n minus 1. Here x power n minus 1 you can take common, n into logarithm of x to the base e plus 1. This is y dash by y. But I want y, students. So y dash equal to y times of x power n minus 1 into, so n into log x base c plus 1. So dy by dx, y means what none here, x power x power n, okay, into x power n minus 1 n into log x base c plus 1. So this is the differentiation. Or sometimes I can write dy by dx equal to x power n plus n minus 1 into n into logarithm of x to the base c plus 1. Okay. Some more problems are given, students. You people can complete by using logarithms. Okay, all these problems you people can complete. Nana. This arc sin x means sin inverse of x. Okay. Yeah. Students, next concept, implicit functions and explicit functions. Okay, I want to explain explicit function and implicit function by using two equations. Say first equation, y minus x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. Second equation, students, listen. So y square minus x square plus xy plus 4 equal to 0. So observe equation 1 and equation 2. Equation 1 and 2 are involving into variables, say x and y. In generally, y is said to be dependent variable and x is taken as independent variable in mathematics. Already you know that the definition of function, dependent variable is called function with respect to independent variable. So here in this first equation, directly I can make a dependent variable as a subject, that is y is equal x square minus x minus 1. So what I can say that y is made as directly as subject in terms of x, means I can say that y is a function with respect to x, or in other words I can say that f of x equal to x square minus x minus 1. This function is said to be explicit function, means in a from equation you can get a function or you can make a y as directly as subject. So we can say that such equation will form explicit functions. So I can say that f of x is equal to x square minus x minus 1 is a explicit function, means the function is involving only one variable. That is important thing, meaning okay, the function is involving only one variable. Okay, so observe students, second equation, y square minus x square plus xy plus 4 equal 0. Here y is a dependent variable and x is independent variable, or x is dependent by x is independent, depend upon situation. So if I make a y as subject, then I can say the y is dependent, x is independent. So here directly you can't make y as subject. Such equations will form a function. Such functions are called implicit functions. Implicit function means we can't make directly dependent variable as subject. Here directly you can make dependent variable subject, or in other words you can say that the function is involving only one variable, the function is involving into variables. You can't separate x and y directly. By using quadratic equation concept you can make y as subject. Here there is not a big issue, but directly you can't make y as subject. Such equations will give implicit functions, or you can say that this equation is called implicit equation, or it will form a implicit function. Okay, now I want to read the definition, students. An explicit function is one which is given in terms of one independent variable, okay, or independent variable alone. So take the following function, y equal x square plus 3x minus 8. So what happened, y is a function with respect to x here, so function is involving only one variable x. Here y is dependent variable and is given in terms of the independent variable x. Okay, So what happened? Such functions are called explicit functions. Now implicit function. Implicit function on other hand are usually given in terms of both the dependent independent variables. So here both dependent independent variables are involved, or sometimes what I can say, it is not convenient to express a function explicitly. Means you can't make right hand side is equation expression involving only one variable. For example, x square plus y square 16, here directly can't make a y as subject and directly. So here also y square plus x square minus 3x plus 8 equal 0 directly can't make. So you want make y as subject, you can't write y square equal to 16 minus x square or y equal to root over 16 minus x square. Such functions are called implicit functions. Okay, our present topic is finding derivative of implicit functions. So here, for example, here an implicit function is given. How to find its derivative? I will explain the procedure nana. Okay, 2x square plus 2xy plus 2y square equal to 16. Differentiating with respect to time, with respect to x. So 2 as it is, x square differentiation 2x, inner x is 1, plus 2 into xy is there, you need to use UE formula, x dash into y plus x into y dash, plus 2 into y square means 2 into y derivative y dash equal to 0. Students, here for example y square is given, we want find its derivative 2 into y power 2 minus 1 into inner y, that is y differentiation is y dash. For example, x square is given, 2 into x power 2 minus 1, inner x differentiation 1 only, no? Because differentiating with respect to x here. Understood? What is the meaning of that? Y power n is given, n is a rational number. Then what the differentiation of this means? What I can say, d by dx of this. So what is this means? N into y power n minus 1 into y dash again. Okay, d by dx of x power n means what I can say, n into x power n minus 1 into 1 only. Okay. Yeah, students, listen nana. Yeah, 4x plus 2 into x differentiation 1 into y plus x into y dash. Okay, plus 4y into y dash equal to 0. Here we want to make y dash as subject. So 4x plus 2y plus 2xy dash plus 4y dash equal to 0. Or in the next page, what time I want to take y dash common, students. So what we will get here? 2x plus 4y. 2x plus 4y is equal to minus times of 4x plus 2y. 4x plus 2y. Or y dash equal to minus times of 2, I can take common, 2x plus y. By here also I can take 2 common, x plus 2y. 2 get cancelled. Therefore dy by dx is equal to minus 2x plus y by x plus 2y. This is the differentiation of this implicit function. Okay, so in this way you can complete it, nana. One important note, student, note, this is only applicable for only implicit functions. Students who have a direct method to find the differentiation of implicit functions, so what is that? I will write. So dy by dx is equal to minus times of differentiation of given function keeping y as constant. Differentiation of given function keeping y as constant divided by differentiation of given function keeping x as constant. Students, listen, and in this example directly I can write minus, so 2x square differentiation, 2 into x square 4x, so 2xy, y is treated as a constant, just a 2y into x, 2y only, so 2y square 0, and 16 also 0. Actually minus 16 is equal to 0. Okay, no problem. Minus 0 by differentiation of same function, assuming that x as a constant, 0 plus 2x plus 4y minus 0. So what I will get, I will write minus 2 times of 2x plus y by 2 is taken common, x plus 2y. So what I will get, minus times of 2x plus y by x plus 2y. Same result. So this is applicable only for implicit functions. Okay, minus times of differentiation of given function keeping y as constant divided by differentiation of given function keeping x as a constant. Okay. Another example, students. X square plus y square equal to r square, implicit function. You want to find its differentiation. We have several methods. Direct approach, 2x into 1 plus 2y into y dash equal to 0 because r is constant. 2x plus 2y into y dash equal to 0, r y dash equal to minus x by y, r dy by dx equal to minus x by y. Next example, students. 10x power 4 minus 18xy square plus 10y cube minus 48 equal to 0. Directly I want to find 10 into 4x cube minus 18 into, here you need to use uv, x dash means 1 into y square plus x into 2y into y dash, okay, plus 10 into 3 into y square into y dash equal to 0. So 40x cube okay, minus 18y square minus 36xy into y dash plus 30 into y square into y dash equal to 0. So I want to make y dash subject, students. 40x cube minus 18y square is equal to, y dash is taken common, 36xy minus 30y square. So therefore y dash equal to, here I can take 2 common, 20x cube minus 9y square by, here I can take another actually 30 or 36, 30 only, 6 I can take common, okay, 6xy minus 5y square, 2 1s are 2 3s are. So instead of y dash I can write dy by dx. This is the differentiation. Okay, directly another method is there with us. What is the method? Dy by dx equal to minus times of 40x cube minus y is taken as constant. No, here y is constant means 18y square by x is taken as constant 0 minus x is taken constant means what I can say, 36 xy plus 30y square. Simplify, what we will get, that is the answer for the problem. This method is important, and for objective question directly you can find its differentiation. Okay. Another question, y is equal 5x square minus 9 into e power y. Students, y dash is equal to 10x minus 9 into e power y into y dash. I want to make y dash subject, students. Y dash is taken common. 1 plus 9 into e power y equal to 10x. Therefore y dash equal to 10x by 1 plus 9 into e power y. So I want to write final conclusion, students. dy by dx is equal to 10x by 1 plus 9 into e power y. Next question. I want to use direct approach for this. dy by dx equal to minus times of differentiating with respect to x, taking y as constant. 4x cube 0 minus 6 y is a constant, no? Y is 6xy by, now I want to take x as a constant. 0 3y square minus 3x square. Okay, so what we will get, that is a differentiation of given function. Or another words I can say that 2 taken common, so 3xy minus 2x cube by 3 times of y square minus x square. Another interesting question, students. If y equal to sin x plus cos y, differentiating with respect to x, y dash equal to sin x differentiation cos x plus cos y differentiation minus sin y into inner y dash, or y dash plus sin y into y dash equal to cos x, or y dash is taken common 1 plus sin y equal to cos x, or another words I can say that dy by dx equal to cos x by 1 plus sin y. Okay, so here some problems are given, students. You want to find a differentiation of different types of implicit functions. You people can complete all. Okay, I want to explain sixth. Cos of xy. So what I given, this formula is applicable only for algebraic functions. Okay, directly here you can't use. Equal to 4x cube x square minus 3y square. So I want to find its derivative, differentiating with respect to x. Cos x differentiation minus sin x, just like inner xy differentiation should do, nana. Xy derivative I will write like that, into 8x minus 6y into y dash. So minus sin xy, here you need to use uv formula. X dash means 1 into y plus x into y dash equal to 8x minus 6y into y dash. Now you want to make y dash subject, students. Here minus y into sin xy minus x y dash into sin xy equal to 8x minus 6y into y dash. Now I want to take y dash as a common. Y dash is taken common after transfer left to left hand side. 6y minus x into sin of xy equal to 8x plus y into sin y. Okay, sure. Observe nana. Here only I want write. Okay. So what I can write, dy by dx equal to 8x plus y sin y divided by 6y minus x into sin of xy. So this is the differentiation of given function. Okay, some more problems are given here, you people can complete nana. So I want to explain eighth one. E power x into sin y equal to minus 8x square plus 6xy. Directly e power x uv formula should use here. E power x different e power x only, sin y as it is, plus e power x into sin y difference cos y, inner y difference y dash, equal to minus 16x, okay, plus 6 into uv formula, u dash 1 into y plus x into y dash. Okay, e power x into sin y plus e power x into cos y into y dash equal to minus 16x, okay students, plus 6y plus 6x into y dash. Now I want to make y dash as subject, students, or I want to take y dash as a common, e power x into cos y minus 6x equal to minus 16x minus plus 6y, okay, minus e power x into sin y. Okay, yeah, now dy by dx equal to 6y minus 16x minus e power x into sin y by e power x into cos y minus 6x. This is the differentiation.